welcome back to Josette Nichols, and I'm here with Camden, and we are going to be doing, I am going to be doing a fake slime box. This is all my things, and I love them very much, so it's fake, and so it's going to be fake, so if you want to order these slimes, you can't because they're fake, and they're all my things, so let's go get the package from outside. Okay guys, I'm going to go get my slime box that I ordered. Just to say, again, this is fake, so don't be like, is this fake or is it real? So let's just go outside to get it. We both ordered them, but they're not from the same person, right, Camden? What? They're not from the same person, so this is my slime box. They're not from the same person. Camden's is from someone else. So let's go inside with the slime box. And then, let's go inside with the slime box. Camden, open the door. I'm trying to get Camden to open the door. Open the door. Yeah, let's go. Ooh, can't get in. No. We both got them from a different person, by the way. This is totally fake. This is really fake, so, fake. And I got this slime box. Now we're going to come inside my room and open it up. So, let's see. I'm going to open the slime box up. Two-tone glitter slime, green slime, dark, light green fluffy slime, neon blue fluffy slime, alien goop panther slime, and grape slime. Whatever. They got me extras. So you guys. This is what the slime box looks like. Okay. So guys, this is what the slime box looks like. It's so cool. So this is the bag, and it says here are some extras. So let's look inside the bag. So let's open the bag. I hope that I wonder what the note says. Oh, sorry guys. Let's open the extras bag. Be right back, guys. Okay, so I got the extras bag open. Let's look at the little note first before we look at any of the extras. It says, "Thank you for purchasing our slime. Hope you enjoy. From Awesome Slime." Okay, so that's the slime box, and there's the extra note. I'm gonna put that over there. And the first extra that I pull out, it's a little cute, Beanie Boo, and it's really cute. So it's a cute little Beanie Boo. It's a key hanger. Put that over there. And then the second thing is a gold fidget spinner. That's really nice. Nice gold fidget spinner. And then the last extra is some Jelly Bellies. That's nice. So that's the extras bag. Now let's actually look at the slime. So the first slime that's on our list is three-tone glitter slime. I'm guessing it's this one. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to try and find a stand so I can stand it for you. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I found a stand, and I'm just going to be opening this three-tone glitter putty first. Open it up. This is so nice slime. I love it. So this is the first color. It's blue. And if you hear some yelling in the background, I apologize. So this is the first color slime, blue. Just gonna put that on the side. The second color slime is green, and oh, it's super clear. Yeah, that is the second one. And the third color is purple. I love how they made these little separators to make it so like the slime didn't touch or anything, and that's just really nice. So here's the purple one, super clear, and yeah, it's really nice. So yeah, that's the three-tone glitter slime. Just gonna close that up. That's just gonna try and close that. While I'm closing it, I'll be right back. Okay, so I got this back in the container, and let's see what our next one is. Our next one is green, dark blue, dark green foam. I'm guessing it's in here because I don't see any. Guys, if you can see this right now, look at this. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. So this one is not sticky, and it's super stretchy, and it has some glitter in it, and that's super pretty. And it's dark green, and it's so nice. So that's the dark green foam. Let me put that back, and I'll be right back while I put that back. Okay, so let's see what our next one is. Our next one is light green fluffy slime. I'm guessing that's right here. Put it in there and poke it. Guys, this is so nice. Let's take it out. Oh, this is so nice. It's a little sticky, but that's okay. It's not really sticky. You just have to play with it for a little while. And that is the light green foam, which is super nice. And it's really fluffy, super pokeable, and a little sticky, but not too sticky. So yeah, that's really nice. And oh gosh, it's stuck to my fingers. Oh, it's stuck. So yeah, that's the green foam. Well, no, not the green foam. That's the light green fluffy slime. So yeah, that's that. And now the next one is neon blue fluffy slime. So I think this is neon blue. As we're talking about. Oh, if you guys hear noises and squeaking noises, that's my guinea pig. And here's the blue fluffy slime. Guys, like, this is so nice. I love it. So that's the blue fluffy slime. Now, the next one we have is alien goop. Oh, this is so cool. This is really like alien goop because it's green and like it's so cool. And yeah, that's super stretchy, super pokeable. Yeah, so that's a nice slime. And the next one is panther slime. Guys, like, oh my goodness. Look at how pretty blue that is, and like, so nice. It's glittery. If you didn't know, there's glitter in, I guess. And if you don't know what the panthers are, they're like, it's like a black cat, and they're blue, and well, the cat's not blue, but their color is blue, and it has silver sparkles in it. This one, that's a really nice one. Not sticky or anything. And our last but not least slime, I think it was the grape slime. Yeah, so our last slime is the grape slime. So here's the grape slime. Oh, wow, this is so nice. I like it. I like how like it has foam beads in it, and it's so stretchy, and it's just so nice. So that was all the slime in our slime box, and I hope you guys enjoyed that little slime video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!